WaveStation PC software provides a waveform creation environment to easily create and edit waveforms on a PC. Create a new waveform file by selecting the New icon. In the Waveform window, select one of the basic waveforms, for instance, sync. Use one of several built-in math and filter functions, such as arithmetic math, window math, filter, or smooth. Create custom waveforms with the equation editor or the waveform drawing tool. To draw a waveform, click one of the pencil icons and draw a waveform shape. Easily store and transfer waveforms to WaveStation over USB with a touch of the transfer button.